Oh hi Julie, your breasts. Oh I mean you look very nice tonight.
I would say the same, but your breasts aren't as beautiful as mine.
So Julie, what are you going to order?
Anything with less than 300 calories, 0 trans fat, and no sugar. So a salad will be fine. You can't look this good eating like a pig like you.
Well, I think I'm going to order 4 cheeseburgers, 2 large pepperoni pizzas, 3 plates of pasta, double chocolate fudge cake, and a Diet Coke.
Oh my god, how can you eat like that? You should see my trainer. Then maybe your breasts wouldn't be so lopsided.
Listen lady, the only exercise I need is when I get off my couch to get a cold beer. I don't need your nasty attitude.
That's no way to talk to a lady of my class. You're lucky I'm actually sitting here with you.
Look, I don't need this, especially from some bossy rich woman who only needs daddy's credit card. Now if you will excuse me, I have to go lotion my mother's feet.
You don't deserve me anyways. Goodbye!